Huawei is pushing communication technology to a whole new level with the Mate 80 series, and one of the most surprising upgrades comes from the MeeTime app. Huawei has transformed MeeTime from a basic calling tool into a powerful offline communication system that works across long distances, even without internet. For users who have faced network issues or spend time outdoors where signals are weak, this feature is a big deal. MeeTime has already been a useful app for Huawei users. It supports high-definition video and voice calls, lets users share screens, annotate during calls, and send messages. It also connects phones, tablets, smartwatches, and other compatible devices. The biggest advantage of MeeTime has always been that it can continue working even when internet connection disappears. But with the Mate 80 series, the app has received a major upgrade that puts it ahead of other communication platforms. The highlight of this upgrade is a new long-distance feature. The Mate 80 supports MeeTime chat and call coverage up to 7 kilometers. This is a massive jump from typical offline communication ranges. In simple words, two users can communicate with each other over a distance of 7 km without internet or normal network signals. This makes Huawei's system more reliable for emergencies, travel, hiking, and remote environments. Another major part of the upgrade is a real-time intercom feature. It is still not available at launch, but Huawei says it will be supported later. This will give users a walkie-talkie style communication experience, adding more versatility to offline messaging. The feature is designed for quick responses, instant communication, and short-range team coordination. Huawei describes this upgrade with a simple promise: when there is network, MeeTime can be used like usual. But when there is no network, the app will still let users communicate with network-free contacts nearby. Messages sent to someone without network can be received, and responses can be sent within 24 hours. This is designed to help users stay connected, even when they step into areas without coverage. In networkless mode, the Mate 80 enables calls and messages over a smooth connection up to 7 km. However, both the sender and receiver need to participate in the networkless operation. Communication can happen when both devices have no network or even when only one device is offline. To perform smoothly, both devices must be within range of Nearlink communication technology. Nearlink is Huawei's advanced wireless solution, which enables fast, stable, and low-power communication between devices. The process of using this feature is very simple. When the phone has no network bars at the top of the screen, users can open the MeeTime app and select the Contact Person option. If the app shows a No Network Communication prompt, the device is ready. This eliminates the need for any complicated setup or configuration. The system automatically switches to offline mode when network is missing. This offline advantage has the potential to change daily communication habits. Users will not have to worry about losing connection in crowded events, underground areas, forests, remote villages, or during power outages. The phone can act as a communication tool even when traditional networks fail. Huawei is offering users a level of independence and reliability that most smartphones do not provide today. While the Mate 80 is the first device to introduce this upgraded version of MeeTime, Huawei is not limiting the feature to one product. Several other devices already support networkless calling and SMS. These include the Mate X7 Foldable, the Mate XTs, the Pura 80 smartphones, the Nova 14 Ultra, and the Nova 14 Pro. This shows that Huawei is building an ecosystem rather than a single feature for a flagship device. The 7P emergent offline communication ability places Huawei in a strong position in the current smartphone market. Not many companies have attempted something like this, especially at a consumer level. With HarmonyOS already focused on seamless cross-device communication, this feature becomes even more meaningful. The Mate 80 series is clearly designed for users who value dependable communication in all situations. Whether someone is working outdoors, traveling long distances, or simply wants a backup when networks fail, MeeTime offers a solution that goes beyond traditional calling features. This is more than a simple app upgrade. It reflects a future where smartphones are capable of staying connected even when the world around them is not. Huawei has created a system that supports safety, convenience, and innovation. With the Mate 80 series and compatible devices, long-distance offline messaging becomes a reality, and the concept of network-free communication takes a big step forward.